It's been a while since I do a makeup haul here, but I have one today, and it's from ULTA. I just received it today. Super excited. All these things that I have here, it's like new things that I haven't reviewed. I'll definitely do a review on them. Lashes, makeup sponges, a blush. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Got these lashes. These are it says it's new. Look at that. These are the Kiss Sister Nature Vegan Mink Lashes Fluffy 3D look. Easy to wear, easier on the planet. Doesn't come with the adhesive, but these look cute. I hope they feel nice. You know how I'm obsessed with my lower lashes. Several styles. I think I bought 2 of them. I'll be reviewing this. Then I got these. These look really nice. I hope they work. Look at these. These are the Kiss Sister Nature lashes. These don't say 3D. Fluffy and wispy finish, 100% natural hair. What do you guys think? You see it has like a nice curl, so they look pretty. My favorite eyelash glue is from Kiss. I hope they look good. Talking about Eyelure, of course I had to restock on my babies. It is, they do sell it individual, but I like to buy the 3-pack because like I said, these are my favorites and they are what I have on today. But you can check my playlist of all the eyelashes that I have reviewed so you can see how they look. They look very different than these. These actually look like it has a clear band. And I also got these from Eyelure. These are the Wild and Wispy. Look alright. I'm not too excited about these. I don't think it's the same quality as the others. We'll see what it looks like in an upcoming video. Got some makeup sponges. This is by ULTA. I didn't know they were going to be this small. This is 2 small sponges, super blender. Here you go. It's really cute though. I love those colors. I don't wet my sponges when I apply my makeup. I know most people do, but I don't think you get as much coverage like when you wet them. So it's hypoallergenic, ideal for blending in tight areas. Use pointed tip around the nose and eyes. Use dry sponge for full coverage. Oh, you see, I'm not crazy. Use damp sponge for sheer coverage. Cute. I can't wait. I hope it works. I really like the flat bottom to like blend my foundation in. Oh, I did pick this up. I got something from Stila. I haven't heard from Stila in a while, right? The Stila Still Day Matte Lip Color, and I was gonna get 2 of them, but I decided just to get 1. This Sun Kissed. I love Stila Lipstick. Super excited to try these. I'm a big fan of Stila. First time trying this brand, I guess, because like I said, I shop a lot at Sephora and Sephora doesn't carry this. This is by Flower Beauty, and look how pretty. It looks like a little deodorant or something. Never tried a product like this. This is the Flower Gel Crush Lip and Cheek. Oh, you could put it in the lips too. Oh, this is tiny. And of course I had to get it in peach because I'm a peach blush fanatic. Peach corals. It looks too beautiful. Seriously. This is gorgeous. I don't have anything like it. It's another thing from Flower, and look how pretty it is. This is gorgeous. That's that invisible powder spray. You know what a powder spray is like? Instead of your powder, like this is gonna be your powder. Another sponge. Now this one is from Morphe. I was looking for a shape like this. I hope you can see it because it's black, but you see like that point and then the bottom is flat. I love to blend in my foundation, like I said, with like this. Like the beauty blender, it's alright, but it's just the shape. I don't know, I prefer something like this that has like a flat little, you know, tush. Really cute. And then that point, oh my god, I could imagine over the eyes, around here, the nose. I hope it works well. It's the Morphe Vegan Pro Series Precision Blending Sponge, and it's black, so I thought that was really cool. Ultra soft beauty sponge. I love a good soft sponge. God, more lashes. So this one from Eyelure is the Luxe Faux Mink. This is in Gilded. See, these are like from the same collection as my favorites. I guess they're the Luxe. You could just tell how they look, the quality. But we'll see if I like this style. As you see, they look more fuller They look fuller than my favorite. So I also got a bunch of foundations from Sephora last week. I've been doing like makeup tutorials on them because some I had like samples of them before, so I actually have videos on them, but probably like not the right shade. Now I got the right shade, so I didn't know like if I should just review it again but in a different shade, or just do like a makeup tutorial showing you how it looks, how it works, just in case you're like my same skin tone, you can see how it looks. And they're all matte. Today I have the one from Givenchy that I received, and it's so pretty. Even though it's a glowing foundation and I'm super oily, like when I set it with this matte powder that they have, if you want to see looks, like I do several looks usually every day, like on Instagram. Sometimes I'll also put them on TikTok, so see them. Those are more like short content. List all the products I use and everything here on YouTube. Username is jenzbeautystyle in all my social media. Leave me a comment down below which one would you like me to review first. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.